Hello and welcome to Loan Modification News from loanmodificationnews.com. Welcome. Over the last couple of years, or the last 5 to 10 years, we have experienced a number of new words that have changed the face of the American lifestyle and of the world. Some of them are faxes, internet, Yahoo, Google, blogs, etc., etc., etc. These have changed the way we've looked at the whole world. These are called neologisms. There is another phrase that has popped up in the last couple of years that everyone seems to know about, and that phrase is loan modifications. Something that the average person never really heard of 2 years ago. But all of a sudden, we've all heard about it, as if we all understand it. Let me take a few minutes to explain to you what a loan modification is and how it works. A loan modification is nothing more than the definition of its own words. A loan, and which loan is it? A mortgage on your home being modified or changed. Why is that taking place? And why would the bank want to do a loan modification? It's very simple, because it makes sense to them. If a person finds himself or herself in the unfortunate position of being in foreclosure, not being able to pay the mortgage that they had signed to pay, because of some unfortunate circumstance, maybe loss of income, maybe a medical issue, maybe some other issues that millions of Americans are facing today, and now they can't pay, or you can't pay, your mortgage. What do? Well, the simple thing is, the bank would say to you, and this is the way it's been ever since the concept of a loan has existed, to take the collateral, in this case, to take the home. And that's called a foreclosure. The problem is, because of the housing crisis and the mortgage crisis, the banks can no longer take back homes. So it makes sense for them to make an agreement, to do something to lower the mortgage payments so that you can make those payments and the bank doesn't have to take the home back. Seems simple. Sure. Just call the bank and they'll do a loan modification. The problem is that in the couple years that the Obama plan has been set in and the banks have accepted to use that plan, it's not as simple as one might think. Here lies the problem. The problem is twofold. The banks, although they seem ready and willing to help, they haven't really been so willing to help. And they can't make up their minds often how and when they want to do this so-called loan modification. Who knows? Well, there are those choice individuals who've been working in the field who understand how it works. Most people think they know, and there's even companies who claim they know, but in truth, most people really don't know.